Hey y'all, it's Dawn's Press-Ons, and today I'm going to show you in real time, for the most part, how to soak off your press-ons that you have glued on. Not with the little tabs, but with the nail glue. So you saw me there putting some hot water, not scalding hot, okay, but as warm as you can stand comfortably, with some dish soap. And then I'm pouring in about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, I'm going to go take cuticle oil, and I'm going to get it in all those cracks and crevices, down in there as far as I can get it. I even like to turn my hand over and like apply it at the underside of the nails there on your fingertip pads. Then put your fingers down in the water and turn on a movie. Start scrolling through Facebook. Do something, because you're going to be here a minute. And just wait. And this is the hard part. This is where people start getting rushy. Now, after some time, you'll be able to take your little orange wood stick and you'll be able to go around the side. Now, we're not trying to pry these off, okay? That's not what this is about. We don't pry them off. You're just trying to get a little gap in there so that you can start getting some of that soapy water and oil in, okay? So just trying to make a little gap. If this is painful, you stop. Put them back in the water. Try again in 5 minutes, okay? Try every 5 minutes or so, and you might have to change your water out and get fresh water, get warmer water. So just a couple of squirts of soap and some olive oil and put them back in. And then you're going to soak them for a while. Add some more cuticle oil. This is a great time to get healthy with your cuticles. More cuticle oil. Again, don't forget, turn your fingertips over. Put it on the underside too. Back in the water. Rub them around. And we soak. And we soak. I thought about speeding this up, but instead I figured what I'll do is, you know, what she's doing here is just working on gently creating some air pockets, okay? I'm going to tell you a little bit about our business while you watch. So, Dawn's Press-Ons is a press-on business started by Jessica. Jessica lives in Louisiana, and she got a love for doing nails by watching me. I'm her mother, and I help her. I'm retired, so I help her by doing a lot of the videos, doing the voiceovers. Some of the videos she'll do, like this one, and then send it to me, and I'll get to do the voiceovers for it and publish them. Because she is busy at home raising 4 little ones, and it's so exciting. My precious grandbabies, but they live so far away. She's in Louisiana, and I'm in Florida. So both of our middle names are Dawn, and that's why when she said, Mom, I want to create a press-on business, and I want to call it Dawn's Press-Ons because I need your help. And that was so exciting for me to know that I am not part of her business. And just to be clear, I don't make money. I don't work for her. Yay, one of them came off, but I help her. So, you know, as a parent, we do free labor. So, and there goes another one. And again, we're not prying these off. If these hurt at all, stop, put them back in the water. And, you know, she's just trying to create a little bit of air there. See, I think she's a little rough on that one. Stop doing it. You know, I'm her mom. And there it went into the water, and that's okay. Should dish it out. All right. I personally, if this was me, I would have put my nails back in to soak for a little while longer. But she's got 4 little ones running around. Ain't nobody got time for all that. So she's being a little bit more forceful on her nails than I would like her to be, and more forceful than I would like for you to be. Just, if they don't pop off easy, put them back in. And see, she's putting her thumb back in. And here we go. Let's try it again. The thumbs are always the hardest. I don't know why, but the thumbs are always like the worst. There we go. We got a little bit of a gap, and she just kept working at it. And there. Now she's going to soak them for a little while, get all the gooey, you know, sometimes you have like a residue left on your hands. So dry them off very, very well. And now she's going to take her little buffing block there, and she's just going to kind of buff off the remaining glue residue that was dried on the nails, just to make sure the nails are nice and clean and that there's nothing left on the tops. Going all around the cuticles, which is, you know, good, but it's also a little bit pointless because you're going to push back your cuticles and do cuticle care before you put your next set on anyway. So, you know, but she's being super thorough here, making sure she gets all the glue off. She might have a little bit of glue buildup around there. Just keep working one nail at a time. And these little tiny buffer blocks that we give out are not, you know, grade A supplies. So I'm sure at your home you have better supplies that you use. But I mean, you can definitely put on a set of press-ons with these supplies that we give you. For sure, especially the glue. We have upgraded our glue, and I'm so excited. We now put Young Nails glue in our press-on kits. It was an expensive upgrade, but Jessica and I both felt like this was a big move that we needed to do because she and I both struggled with some of the less expensive glues that you could get, you know, 100 for, you know, $10 off of some of the other places. But we really felt like upgrading to the Young Nails glue in a bottle was, or tube glue. We don't give you the bottle, we give you the tube glue. Anyway, whatever. I've used both. I've used the brush-on bottle, which is more expensive, and then I've used the tube bottle. The tube bottle ends up costing us, when we can buy it on sale, $2 a bottle, and we are not upping the prices of our press-ons to reflect that. We are just including that now as part of what we need to do. Okay, so she's got all the residue off of her nails, and now we're putting on more cuticle oil. Really, just don't be stingy here with the cuticle oil. Your nails have been through a lot. Put it all around the edge of the nail. Put it under the free edge there. Just really give yourself a nice, be generous, a nice layer of cuticle oil. And then just kind of rub it in. Take your other hand and just massage it a little bit and get it in there. If you've got work you've got to go do, one of the things you might do is drop a couple of drops of cuticle oil down inside your gloves, and then put your rubber gloves on or your latex-free gloves on, and just put some cuticle oil down in the bottom of them. It'll really help you to nourish your nails so that you can continue to work. If you've got to go do dishes or, you know, bathe the dog or whatever, you can still cuticle oil your fingers and your nails by putting the oil down inside. There you go. You can see the difference between her left hand and her right hand. She's got, the left hand is completely done. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. We need you. See you next time.